Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Filmora templates. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, depends on what version or what type of software you are using. In case you are using like the web app, you will be able like just to simply go to your application or to your web app and then you will find the templates there. In case you are using the desktop app, you will need simply to go to the toolbox or you can simply go to the creator hub of Filmora and from here we will find the creators. So as you can see, basically here you will find in the creator hub you will find like many templates, many tools, etc. And basically this would allow you to find all the templates. Or you can simply go to the toolbox and from here you might find some template generators, etc. So now, and basically you will need just to load and then you will find these templates that will be showing here. And basically you will need just to click on it and then you will have something similar to a project and I'm just going to choose this one and here I can use any projects that I can create. And basically I'm just going to use this one or this one and I will just click on plus and from here you will have like your templates that will be already generating everything and from there you can either to start like y- modifying the text. For example, you will have a holder for a text here and simply you need just to click on that text and you can start like managing it, like replacing it, like changing it, do whatever you like. And also you will have many options. So for example, you will have your text here. You can change the text holder, the layer, the alignment, the style, font type, whatever you would like. And basically you will do this with all the elements and then you will need to export your video again. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.